All right, in this video, Lee is going to get old Shannon back into the scene.
Yeah, yeah. I think she's tired though. I mean, she was running really hard yesterday.
This is true. Very hard.
Yep. So let's
I
go
mean,
grab.
what? Mach something?
Well,
1.6?
it might test 1.9, but for the video it was 1.6. We had to dial it back
Yeah.
down a little bit. So, but I think I left her somewhere in like train R&D. Hey, look at there she is.
Cool.
So go ahead, open it up. So give it a sec to decompress. There's a few assets in here. Let's import them all. Let it all load up. All right, so now we've got our 3D Buzz assets. I can expand this. Scroll down, take our character, drag and drop it in our scene. There's Shannon. And let's go ahead. So I've got a target look at already assigned. Go to our main camera, open up scripts, and take our third person camera script, drag that out, and drop it on our camera. Ooh, cannot add. Why not? TP camera. Really, you haven't imported, compiled. So apparently it lied to me when it was all importing. TP camera has not finished compilation. Really? So what? You need to go to Starbucks, grab a coffee.
Right-click,
Okay.
resync the project. And then double-click. And it's going to
This
have, it's going to have the dialogue.
yeah, this one's gonna want to reload it, but code assets, it's there. I'm just wondering if I'm gonna need to reboot this thing before long. Control R, drag it up in our main camera. Yep. I'm
Right.
restarting Unity. Apparently it just doesn't want to recompile anything anymore. The script file does not match the name of the class defined in the script. Okay. So apparently TP camera does not match TP camera. Because that comes.
Oh, code base.
What? Where? Oh, okay. I see it. Yeah, because of the demo stuff. That's right. And the reason why is because I built this one against the old project
Mm-hmm.
because I don't have my original Shannon asset anymore. It's disappeared. I think it's on your computer somewhere, though,
I
but I
gotcha.
don't know where. So I had to make up my own. All right, let's see. Are you happy now?
Yep.
Sweet.
Okay.
All right. So target look at. Now I think it will automatically come in. Set my max distance a little bit. Save it. Hit play. I want to see if it will fire up with me doing nothing else, or if I got to drag and drop that target look at. It's been a while since I've done it. All right. Apparently she missed the ground. Hey, there she goes. Okay, so we're going to have to fix that. Target look at is working. So her problem right now is slide friction. And let's set her to 20 so she lands on the train. Oh, just
So
missed it.
close.
40. All right. 50 for good measure. All right, good. Now I can look around and I can run,
Good deal.
and everything seems to be working correctly.
Excellent.
And run around. This is fun. Look, Mom, I'm queen of the world.
All right, so that I'll just pretend you didn't say that. So that's all we really needed to do for this video here, right?
Well, it was Shannon. I was using her
I
voice.
know. Yeah.
Well, I'd say so. She's running around
She's
the
running
world,
around.
and she's not falling through, and I can move the camera. And, yep, this camera has the colliders on it. So
Yeah.
we're not passing through the ground.
Okay.
So, yep, I'd say that's
Oh,
good for this video.
okay. Very good. Thought you got disconnected for a second.
Oh, yeah, I'm garbled up, or you sound garbled up on my side. It might be my internet doing something screwy.
No big surprise there. All right, then. Thank you very much, everybody. And with that, that is going to wrap up this video.